Greetings, everyone. Merry Christmas. It's Christmas Day 2021.
Yeah, Merry Christmas, everybody.
So we're starting off today. We've already opened our gifts, but we'll show you the haul later on. And this is a meal for the birds that are in my room. They get veggies with calcium powder. So we're going to take that in there for them. Okay, so Chris is going to distribute the veggies. And, we're gonna do gifts after they feed, so let's see. So there's the least one. That'll be for Emma.
Emma, here you go.
Put that right in the middle of her cage.
Christmas breakfast.
There you go, Emma. Okay, and then let's see. This one has a lot. This one can be for Whitey and Minion. The pink one. I'll hold that.
Here you go, guys. Ooh, they're all excited.
Minion knows what veggies are.
Oh, going to town.
Okay, next will be, yes, the big bowl for Orbits and Blue Brother.
Here you go, guys. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas meal. Good girl. She's learned so quickly how to eat veggies, and these are really good quality. And lastly, we have Nautica, the mean parrot that everyone loves. Yeah, see, she lunges and will bite you. Thanks for nothing. There you go, you little peep. Look who came down finally. Of course, they go for the corn first. Here's our nativity set, and these are all gifts for the birds. We've already opened our gifts, and I did get them a bird pinata, but I didn't wrap this one because it's something you already unwrap. There's a flap here, and then there's nesting material inside that they can pull out soft pieces of wood. You can put treats in it. And I don't know who's going to get that one yet. But I know they're going to be terrified of it at first. Okay, so here are the bird gifts. But let's start with top down. Emma. I would let her rip this, but she's going to be scared. She gets a soccer ball. Goal! Look, Emma! She's like, oh, I'm so scared! So, I'm going to put this on the front of her cage so she can get used to it. Oh, poor Budgie. Wingo. Wingo, look! Look, big Budgie. Wanna rip? Yeah, rip, look, like this. Yes, good boy. What's in there? No, Minion, this isn't for you. Sorry. You can't have these. Wanna rip? Good boy! The rippy bits! What do you think? What do you think, buddy? Look, Whitey, this is for you. She's like, I'm out of here! Get me out of here! Now, Whitey loves stars, so I got her this special toy. But she's looking. It's okay. Whitey! Whitey! What do you think? Do you like that, Whitey? Here you go, Budgie girl.
Just checking it out.
Good girl, Whitey. Minion, you scared her.
She was going in for it.
She was going in and Minion had to freak her out. Come here.
And now these two.
Alright, this is for Orbits. Orbits. She good. Sorry, Nautica, this one's not yours. She wants it. Yes, exciting, noisy things. Ta-da! She's more confused than scared. Put that there, see if she figures it out.
Pretty soon they'll be hopping through that like a hoop.
I hope so. Look at Nautica. She's like back and forth, back and forth. All right, this one's yours. What's that? What is that, chicken? Come here, chicken. Chicken is her nickname, and this is why Minion has learned to say chicken. He says Nautica chicken like first and last name. We'll figure out who gets this. Maybe it'll be her. She doesn't seem too scared. There she goes, investigating the new one. Good girl. Good girl. Merry Christmas, everyone! I want to show you guys what I got for Christmas this year, but before I do that, I wanted to show you the Nativity Set in my little display, that this is where we had some of our small gifts out. So we've got Tinsel Shark again. I think I showed him last year. And then we've got a 11-piece Nativity Set. One of my kings is falling over. And I'm really happy because this year I got these little lights for it and I weaved it through the top. And I think it looks so much nicer with that warm yellow glow. And then of course my beautiful ceramic dove bird Christmas tree. They're not. They say they're doves, but they're not. They look more like little sparrows. They're so pretty. Chris's aunt gave us these dinosaurs. This one's mine. And this one is for Chris. They're decorations for the tree. That eyeball's always there. Don't mind that. Okay, here's what I got. This is my big gift. I got a Silhouette Cameo 4, which is a vinyl cutter. And Chris's mom got me a bunch of accessories to go with it. She got me this foil thing, and this is the heat tool that goes with it, and a really cool big ruler and some paper, and my friend Joker got me a glue gun, which I needed. That is really cool. Alright, the rest of the stuff's in my room, I think. So, Nutriberries from my friend Emmy. We know where it came from now. Thank you so much. I do love it. It was quite the surprise. And then a few days later, I got one from Pumpkin Patch 1993. She also has another channel, but that's how I've always known her. So even if you like change your name, in my mind, the names never change. Shopping Addiction or something like that. My Shopping Addiction, I think, is her other channel. But anyways, lots of toys. These will be great. I'm probably going to give most of these to Wingo because he doesn't have a lot since he's the new bird. And I'll keep the extras on backup because the birds will destroy them and everything. And then I can just pull them out of the closet, out of their box, and give them fresh new toys. Be ready. That'll be cool. They got Nutriberries today as a treat. So they're enjoying their Christmas gift. Alright, so here's my desk. And it's been rearranged, as you might be able to tell. Here is my new cameo silhouette, which I am still learning how to use. I have to learn how to use the program. And it's been a bit of a challenge because it's different than other programs that I'm used to. And the whole point of this for me is to be pretty much make card decals. I'm not into paper art very much, but as always, it's going to be something to be for my unique art. And interestingly enough, you guys see my little holographic raptor over here? He changes colors. He's not a Christmas gift. I've had him for a long time now. But what's neat, you can see him well when that color shows up. I have recently found out that you can buy an engraving tool to go inside of the silhouette, and you can buy that type of acrylic panels and then the lights underneath individually, and you can make your own night lights. And that has just opened up a world of possibilities for me. Can you guys imagine a night light of Scary Fear, or of George Smith, or of Rip Talon, or Jonathan Cope, or any of my characters? Would be pretty awesome, I think. I just need to learn how to make the characters have grid lines like that. That's probably going to be the hardest thing. And also using the new program. So yeah, I'm very excited. I've got a lot to learn still. I have made my first decal. I'll show you guys that. Dun, dun, dun. First decal. Not bad. I didn't even really care what size. I just wanted to practice with something. Took me a long time to figure it out, but I've got it now. But there's still a lot of techniques I need to learn. And I need to find... Funny enough, I've lost my transfer paper. I had a roll of it. So it's probably in the closet somewhere. And there's probably other gifts and stuff I've forgotten. This year has been really chaotic and hectic. Oh, and here's this year's Christmas card, and it is late. I'm sorry about that. I will be sending these out. I think I've got 8 in here. So it's going to be a Happy New Year, and it's going to feature Bullet, the Budgie. How are you doing, Whitey? Emma, stop. Okay. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that. You guys had a good Christmas. I am behind on videos again, as always. I've got another one of going to a neighborhood that I hope I find time to post, as well as I need to put part 2 of the vlog up, because there's a lot of other changes that have been going on or will be going on that I want to tell you guys about. Alright, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, everyone! Happy New Year, Minion! And Orbits! Alright, Des and Minion and everybody signing off.